Oh, this you crazy mother.
Hello everyone, today I'm gonna show you how to beautify your skin in your computer in Lightroom. So it works similarly as filters in your phone, like a beauty mode. So let's go straight ahead in this computer. So I'm gonna start with Lightroom here. So I've already opened this image. So if you see this girl, these are freckles, so many freckles on our face, somewhere near the eye especially. So what we need to do is go straight to the right. So let's check this out. You have to scroll this out. All the adjustments are here. So presence, tone, we go to region, we go to color, highlights, split tongue. So now basically we're going to details. So it's her eye and her hair, we can see her face, we can see her mouth. So which area is the worst? Let's choose the worst area of her face. So I'm seeing somewhere around near her eye. So let me go to her eye. Yeah, just below that. So just below there you can see a lot of freckles on her face. So let's correct this. Now when you bring it down, I'm on sharpening, just let it be, or if you want to adjust you can adjust. So now what I want to do is I want to go to noise reduction. So in noise reduction you have Luminance. This bar plays a very important role in this one. So let's try to increase and look at her face. Increase to 46, a lot better. And now when you put to full, it is obviously too much and the whole face is blurred out. So let's adjust. Now just see, it's a lot better. And obviously with don't bring this detail too much, okay? Because if you bring details, you're going to bring the small spots into the light. So bring this back, and if you same with the contrast, if you put up the contrast, then the darker will get darker, the white will get whiter. So you can check it here. Yeah, so you can just play around here, and basically what I'm trying to say is I think this works best. 58, yeah, around 58 and 60. Before it was like this, and now when you bring this up somewhere around 50, then it looks a lot better. So yeah, you can bring it down, bring it up, so the whole of her face is just corrected. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I'll see you in the next video.
7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
You'll never have the sacred stone.